Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Sprunki video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Silver Sprunki character. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the Silver Sprunki, let's begin with the head. So I'm going to use this little circle template to kind of trace the head. So I'm going to start right about here, and we're not going to make a full circle. We're going to kind of make like a fishbowl shape. So I'm just going to make the shape right here for the head. Now, starting here in the middle, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out. We're going to come around here. We're going to go out again, and then we're going to bring this back, but we're not going to connect it. Next, I'm going to make a little curve here. Then I'm going to bring this line up and this line up. Next, we'll curve a line down on each side. Then I'm going to bring this line up and down and this line up and down. Now let's work on the eyes. So I'm going to draw a nice big circle shape right here, and then we're going to make another nice big circle shape right here. Then we're going to make a big sad face right across the top of each eye. And then we're going to make a nice big circle inside each one for the pupil. And then we can go ahead and color that in real fast, just to fill in the pupil for our Silver Sprunki character. Next, we're going to make a line across for the mouth. Then we're going to draw a line that comes down here at an angle and a line that comes down here at an angle for the body. Then we'll just make a line across. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Silver Sprunki character. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.